Hello, welcome to the Brucey's All Research channel. Thanks so much to my subscribers, to you-know-who, all you guys and gals here helping support the channel. And of course, I'm thanking you for the interest that you have, obviously, in my research. Let's take a look, a real quick look, 22 seconds, we're already 10 gone by. Do you see a bit further at the end, there's a line there with a towering object standing up? Those are real towering objects. Those are the real towers of the moon. I'll get a circle up on it. It's hard to see, I know. It's not easy to see these smaller objects, and with the other smaller telescope was impossible to see, all depending on the quality. Something spectacular has been going on here in the sky, aside from all of my life in general the past few days. So here's quite simply, just to give you a look at the sky. Look at the phenomena that started yesterday, day before yesterday, the sun's right there in that square of cloud that's over the cloud hiding. But look over top, that's not a roof. Over top, on the top of the image, all that heavy, thick sky of cloud is over me, hiding. My mother, who lives 20, 30 minutes away, has absolutely a clear sky, right? And here I was covered at that time. So now, here, let's go over to see the incredible sky. I'm not going to explain anything. I'm just going to let you guys see the sky flickering. And this is not a trick. It's not a joke. It's real. And I will leave the audio on a couple of sections so that you see there's no cuts in this. It's outside. The wind is there. And the sky starts changing colors.
It's coming. I see it soon.
So I go in the house, call a family member, tell them to look outside, what the hell's going on in the sky, and this is happening. Check it out. Earth's magnetosphere is drastically being affected by the spots on the sunspots. They're affecting the magnetosphere and the polar shift, obviously, the shift of everything shifting. What's going to happen is that the magnetosphere is going to fall on Earth, and we're going to see a lot of phenomena. Watch the intensity of the change of the light in that little part of the cloud there. It gets bright orange. It's definitely solar radiation, whatnot, because of the magnetosphere. It's incredible. Check it out.
So just for the fun of it, I call my mother, and there's a small white one there that I see, and there's this big ass black freaking object in the sky, guys. Check this out. Black. I went outside and I saw this. It goes right across the trees. It's very, very long. Check it out. Pitch black. I'm not kidding. Actually, look at that. It's black as hell. It's the only black sky, a black cloud like that. With the wide tail, look at that. How wide that is.
This is the area where we see that stationary object right there, but I'm not sure what it is, and I'll leave it at that. It's interesting. Take a look at it. It will not move.
It's black. Pitch. That is trippy. Oh, is there another? Ooh, that's far away, though. I'll never see. That's what a chemtrail looks like, and that's that black object. Check it out. Crazy.
And no. So, false alarm on the UFO. I'm still curious a little bit about it, but I'm really afraid it's just a cloud. What I'm talking about is the UFO that I thought I had seen in the footage that I just showed you, which I'm sure some of you have seen under that black line, that stationary object. I think it's a cloud. I think it's a cloud. I zoomed up, and it's uneven shape, just most likely a cloud. Mysteriously staying there for a long time. I didn't understand why it did. You guys can look at this footage again. You can see it really well, even though I'm not going slow as I go left and right under the big black soot cloud. So this is the sun. Yesterday, my friends, on May 21st, 2022. Wow. Look at those sunspots. So that's the sunspot area. I have not checked which number it is. Been very busy, lots going on between Ace of Space and trolling and hacking that's going on in the channel. And now my bank, guys, and my PayPal. Imagine. Last couple of months was the Patreon that went down because somebody, anyways, that's how it is. But I can't thank you all enough for coming back and supporting this channel. So really sorry for the false alarm for the UFO. I shouldn't have even written it in the community, but I get excited. It's all part of the job. It's part of the fun too, because you never know when you're going to get something. Sometimes you can go months. Maybe I'll go a year without getting something. You never know. It's like hunting. It's like fishing, right? You never know if it's going to bite, if you're going to catch something. This is the beautiful sun, and it's not so beautiful with all those spots, even though it is beautiful. Danger is beautiful, right? It really is when you look at it. It's an incredible view of a very aggressive surface. And as I keep repeating, when the field lines, those straight lines and 90-degree angles that form that look very unnatural, when they form and they cross paths or cross over themselves, well, then there's danger for a massive solar flare. It could even be a coronal mass ejection. Danger for Earth. Let's take one more look at that line and towering object that I showed just off the outskirts of, Mare Imbrium. Mare Serenitatis on the left, you can see right in the center, the blue part's Mare Imbrium. And another arrow length in front of this, you can see a line. And I'll get, again, a circle over the towering object. That is really an elevated object. Everything else that looks elevated is an optical illusion. That object is elevated and it's high. There's a lot of talk about towers on the moon before I was even born. Thanks so much for listening in, everyone. I'm actually going to stop here, my friends. I'm going to keep the video. Gauthier, Bottin, thank you. Merci for the beautiful, generous contributions on myevent.com. I'm going to keep it short so it will upload fast.
Up there on the moon, they may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon, yes they are up there. Doesn't matter 'cause disclosure's coming soon.